Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get the clock started. So, what I'm going to show you in this one is how to read the census names a little easier. So I'm going to do that by pulling up a census report. I'm going to go to my tree and find a person in my tree that I know I've documented with, census records. And we're just going to look at, for instance, the 1900 census for Clarence Brown. Okay? We'll wait on Ancestry a little bit. Come on, oh no, come on, Ancestry. You're going to make me not miss my 2 minutes. What are you going to do to me here? Let's try it again. There we go. Whoop, down to a minute and a half. All right, so you've got your family group right here, and it's highlighted, and we'll talk about turning that on and off. It's really handy. I recommend you always leave that on. But see right here where it has 48 or 49, it's got this little family icon right here. It's got 2 people in it. If you click on that, look what happens. It pulls up the names. And you can see all the names that are on this sheet, including the ones that are highlighted. See how these are all highlighted in green and my person in yellow right here? So this is the family group. They're all in green, and then Clarence is there in yellow. And it really focuses in. This is so much easier to read than that. I think we can all agree on that. So another thing that you can actually do is you can actually copy this to an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so you can get all the people here. You can click anywhere in here, click Control A, and that highlights it all. Control C, and then go to your spreadsheet and click Control V to paste it in your spreadsheet. Now, when have I done that? See, this is 48 or 49. Let's say I'm having a real challenge finding, another relative. I know there's a brother or somebody. So I'll actually go through everybody in this district that they're in, okay, and actually paste that into a spreadsheet. And then I'll turn that into a table, and then I'll sort by the last name. And that'll give me all the possible relatives that are in that town. All right? Hope you enjoyed the 2-minute tip.